If you have not yet subscribed my channel, subscribe it now and press the bell icon to all to get all the notifications of all my new videos. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I will explain you next kinds of pronouns: demonstrative pronoun, reflexive pronoun and emphatic pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun. Pronoun which is used to point out things is called demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative means which point out thing. For example, this, that, these and those. All these pronouns are very familiar to you. This shows the things nearby when singular. That shows the thing when it is far away, singular. Same way, these is plural form of this, and that. So many things are there far away, then they are called those. So all these pronouns are called demonstrative pronouns because they point out things. Now see, demonstrative pronouns are also there and demonstrative adjectives are also there. The same rule is applicable here. When they are alone, they are demonstrative pronouns, and when they come with noun, they are demonstrative adjectives. For example, this is a present from my uncle. So this is a present. Here word this points out the present. So this is called demonstrative pronoun. Next kind of pronoun, reflexive pronoun. When the action done by subject turns back upon the subject is called reflexive pronoun. For example, I hurt myself, we hurt ourselves. So when self or selves is added to the pronoun, means subject turns back upon the subject, action done by the subject turns back upon the subject. I hurt myself. I is subject and the action turns back on subject itself, myself. So that time it is called reflexive pronoun. We hurt ourselves. Emphatic pronoun. Emphatic pronoun means when stress is given on the pronoun. How? When compound personal pronouns are used for the sake of emphasis, they are called emphatic pronouns. Emphasis means to give stress. When compound personal pronouns means personal pronoun is also there, and after that, like reflexive pronoun, self or selves is added and more stress is given on that pronoun, that time it is called emphatic pronoun. For example, he himself said so. Now he himself is emphatic pronoun because stress is given on himself. They themselves admitted the guilt. When we use along with the pronoun, reflexive pronoun is used with personal pronoun, then the stress is added there. So that is called emphatic pronoun. If you like my video, do like it, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon to all to get all the notifications of all new videos, and share.